Good morning, student. How are you? So here I am with that. I am going to teach you deal with the first chapter of class 10th physics. That chapter name is the light reflection and refraction. But another terms we can say that chapter title is optics. So here this is according to this PPT I made according to the your syllabus of class 10th NCERT board. Okay, now as I taught you in the classes, now in this video I am making for your practice for your board preparation. So please do keep watching, keep writing. Please make a notes from my videos. It will very helpful for you. So let's start this class without making any delay. So first, light is a form of energy that produce the sensation of vision. That produce sensation of vision. What is the light? Light is a forms of energy. That is the forms of energy which gives us what or which produce the sensation of vision. If we suppose you are sitting in your study room and light is not there, can you able to read any book? Can you able to write anything? Your answer is no. Yes, you are saying right. So that's why light is a form of energy which produce the sensation of our vision. Only if light ray is present with our surroundings, then we are able to see the object. Then we are able to visualize the colorful world. Okay, so here some points. First point, what is the first point? First topic, nature of light. What is the nature of light? Means in that first point, light is a which kinds of wave or radiation, electromagnetic wave. It is light is a electromagnetic wave radiation. And second point, it has a dual nature. There was a one scientist, that scientist name is De Broglie, and De Broglie has given the light in a dual nature. In his research, he has given the light have dual nature. One is the wave nature as well as a particle nature. As well as a particle nature. Sorry. As well as a particle nature. Now here this is a particle nature and this is a wave nature. Dear student, in class 10 which we are studying about the optics, light, reflection and refraction. In this we are talking and study about the only particles, the behaviors of the ray particles, light particles. We are not studying here about the wave particles, wave nature of the light in class 10. Now, then what is the next? What is the speed of light in the air, in the vacuum? The speed of light in the air and vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But generally, if you see some ICC book, then the actual value is 2.99 something something meter per second is written. But this we are taking approximate value 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second to solve the numerical problem for our convenience. Now next point, in medium V equal to C upon mu. Now, so the light requires medium. Light does not require any medium for propagation. Light does not require any medium for propagation. Yes or not, children? Yes or not, children? So that's why here we are representing here the C, capital C is written, C which we are using to represent the speed of light in air as well as vacuum. In medium, V means the speed of light. V equal to speed of light upon mu means refractive index. Mu is a stand for the refractive index. This is our formula. Now, second point which we have, a reflection of light. What is the reflection of light? Now the reflection, what is the reflection? When a light ray strike a mirror or strike a polished surface, then it will reflect back. The light ray will reflect back. That is known as a returning back also we can say. That is, but when it is returning after a strike to the any medium, reflecting surface or mirror, and when it will reflect, when it will return back, that time the direction of the light ray is opposite to one. So can you see here in this picture, when this is a incident ray and this is a reflected ray. So first point is here in the reflection of light, the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, is equal to angle of reflection. We can write I. We are representing the angle of incident with a small letter I, and we are representing the angle of reflection with a small letter r. Now incident ray, here in the reflection of light we have what? We have two laws. What are they? Two laws. In the reflection of light we have two laws. First, the angle of incident ray is equal to angle of reflected ray. And second law, when the incident ray, reflected ray, normal line meets at a point, or joined at a point, or lies on the same plane, that is known as a second law of reflection of light. Now, in this diagram, you can see this is our incident ray. This is our incident ray. This is our incident ray, and direction of this. When it is a strike, where it is a strike, this point is known as a point of incident. What is point of incidence? Yes or not, children? And after a strike to this point, it will reflect back, but not in the same path, but different path as well as a different direction. So that's why this ray is known as a reflected ray. And where it is a strike, on that point we must have to scratch a line. We must have to make a line, draw a line. That is an imaginary line, and that imaginary line is known as a normal line. So when these three lies at a point, this point is known as a point of incident, and when they are lies, that is called a second law of reflection. Now third one, a refraction of light. Already I taught you light does not require medium, but when light ray will pass from the one medium to another medium, then it will bend. The speed of light ray will decrease as well as increase. It's depend on the medium density. Now what is the refraction of light? Refraction of light means when a light ray passes from one medium to another medium, when it is known as a bending of light. Refraction of light means bending of light ray is known as a refraction of light. It means when one ray is passing from the air medium and enters to the denser medium. Air medium is rarer medium and denser medium is glass medium. Now here this is an air medium, so rarer medium we can say, rarer medium, and this is a glass medium, so we can say denser medium. Denser medium is those who have more density as compared to the rarer medium. Rarer medium is the rare air medium, those who have a less denser density. It means that medium the particles are present. These both medium have their own particles, and if you will talk about the rare medium, so rarer medium have whatever the particles are present, they are situated far away to each other. Their position is very far away to each other. But in this denser medium, whatever the particles are present inside the denser medium, so their position is very near to each particles. That's why this is called as denser medium and this is called a rarer medium. So when a ray of light passing from rarer medium to denser medium, then it will bend towards the normal. Now where it is hitting to the surface of another medium, that point we must have to draw an imaginary line, and that imaginary line is known as a normal line. Yes or not? So here in the refraction of light there is another law. That law is known as a Snell's law. A Snell's law means it is a ratio of angle of sine of incident ray is equal to the angle of sine of reflected ray. So mu1 or n1 you can say. So mu1 into sine I equal to mu2 into sine r. Another word you can write sine I upon sine r is equal to constant. What you can write is equal to constant. Yes or not? Because this is also, when you will remove this, then we will get the proportional sign. Yes or not? So we can write this one also. Refractive index formula. Now this is the what mu equal to c upon mu. Mu is representing for the, we are writing this letter, this is a Greek letter, and we are using to represent the refractive index, and c stands for the what speed of light in air or vacuum, and v stands for the speed of light in a medium. So here next point, so next class we will discuss, I hope it is enough for today in this video. So next class we will discuss a spherical mirror as well as the lens. Yes or not? A spherical mirror as well as the lens. So please keep watching, keep learning, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, notification bell icons, and please share my video with your relatives, with your friends, with your colleagues, and please support my YouTube channel and support me. Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye. Take care. We will meet soon.